हर बार यही कहते हैं कि शाहरुख हमारे लिए परिवार है, फैमिली है। लंदन में आप थे इन द ईयर 2000, बॉलीवुड सितारे तो थे ही, एंजेलिना जोली भी थी, जैकी चैन भी थे। I really want you to walk down memory lane, flashbacks of a few of the IFAs that you've done, and why is it so special for you?
First of all, a very good evening to everyone and a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy CM, Diya Kumari ji, and all dignitaries and friends who've come from Rajasthan, and of course, all the colleagues here, Nora, Karthik, you, Kanan, and all our media friends and partners and sponsors of IFA. It's always great to come down here. I've been doing this now for, I didn't realize it till actually about 10-15 days back, कि 25 साल से मैं आंद्रे और विराफ और सब्बास के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ। तुम सिर्फ 23 साल से कर रहे हो, और तुम्हें उन 23 साल में जो 2 साल में तुम नहीं थे, एंजेलिना जोली ही याद रही। तुम 2 सालों के बाद आए थे करना, तुम्हें पता है ना? But it's been a great journey. It was too much fun, like Andre said, and Viraf and Sabas, of course, have some very fond memories. They've always been very hardworking. I've known them, and in no which way demeaning or deriding the status. At that point in time, I just want to point out the hard work they've been doing. I remember them arranging chairs and different award functions for all of us, being kind to us, showing us warmth, and from the beginning of the show till the end of the entertainment ended, they were always looking after us. So they were bound for doing some wonderful things, and I think the creation of IFA by the three of them and their whole team over the years is a marvelous achievement, taking Indian cinema global. And I've had too much fun, starting from the Dome, then in Toronto. We have some very wonderful memories, some very wild ones which we can't talk about, but they've been good times, and they've only been good times with IFA, and inshallah I pray for them that they continue to take Indian cinema global, put it on a platform which makes us relevant all around the world. It's always been fantastic performing for them, the production qualities, the way they look after everyone, and extremely hospitable and warm people. So when we leave our town, when we leave our country and we go outside, it's really, you know, initially we used to be like, अरे यार न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं, कौन ध्यान रखेगा, कैसा होगा? But they were always there early in the morning to pick us up from the airport, drop us after the show. So it's been a great journey, and as a matter of fact, I've always wondered, said to them कि यार आप हमारे देश में करो. अभी प्रिंसेस दिया कुमारी जी भी यही फरमा रही थी कि हमारा आइफा जो है यहाँ हमारे देश में होना चाहिए. So it's wonderful, no better place than Rajasthan and Jaipur to be hosting this. Just to remind you, because I've been told by them, याद दिला देना लोग भूल ना जाए, 8 और 9 तारीख 9 मार्च 2025 को जयपुर में हमारा शो होगा. तो आप सबको आमंत्रण है, प्लीज़ आइएगा और वहाँ पे हमारे साथ एंजॉय कीजिएगा और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कीजिएगा. एंड yeah, it's been really wonderful. I'm in the middle of going to shoot a film, but when they said it's 25 years, I need to be there. So I've rushed here, and I'm hoping and looking forward to being in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, on the 9th of March, and enjoying as we've enjoyed the last 25 years. So thank you, Aifa. Thank you, Andre. Thank you, Viraf. Thank you, Sabas.
एक स्लोगन होती है जो दिल से निकलती है शाहरुख, जहां पे भी जाते हैं. The way the stadium screams, "We love you, Shahrukh." How many of you say that all the time? Put your hands up, everybody. There you go. Karthik, आप जो भी छूते हैं is becoming a blockbuster, and we are so proud of your journey. और तहे दिल से लगता है कि अपना ही बंदा जीत रहा है और अच्छा काम कर रहा है. पिछले साल शाहरुख ने होस्ट किया और इस साल आप होस्ट करने वाले हैं. Does that make you nervous? What do you feel inside?
आप सवाल ऐसे पूछते हो, ऑलरेडी डर लगने लगता है जवाब देने का. I think first of all, again, good evening everyone. I think it's been a lovely evening amongst all of you, and I'm sharing the stage with Shahrukh sir. Thank you sir for being here. Honorable Diya Kumari ji, Nora, Andre, Sabas, Viraf, you've been wonderful as always, and सिड कनन जी, आपने 23 इयर्स पूरे किए आइफा पे, तो इनके लिए भी थोड़ी सी तालियां इनके लिए भी कर दीजिए.
Indian films, and we cannot thank our partners enough who made the IFA dream come true alive year after year. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि Mr. Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, आ जाए stage पर for a photo opportunity with our dignitaries on stage. Please give it up for Mr. Partho Banerjee. But also because of the relentless efforts of the trailblazers who brought it to life. They dreamed big. They knew they'd break every boundary and set their own trends. It's my honor to invite the three visionaries, co-founders of IFA Awards, to join us on stage. The three OG wizards, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Andre Timmons, Mr. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Nora. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you, Shahrukh. I request the three OG wizards to remain on stage. Viraf, I'd request you to remain on stage, please. Sabas, please remain on stage. And of